2, 1. We're on a race car. Lock it down. Watch the bottom. Big push behind him. Low. They're wrecking. That was close. Green checkers. Nice job. Woo! How about that, boys?
Talladega Superspeedway, race 2, the round of 12 on a track that could change the playoff standings dramatically.
This is a track full of challenges. Let's get your head right. Slide back in your seat. Let's give those belts a real good tug. 55 laps per stage. Brett, this weather don't look good at all. We got rain possible. Let's see how this plays out here.
We are set to go here at Talladega.
Green. 22 shoving you. Still 3 bottom. Middle 3 tight in front of the 95. Shoving like old school tandem style. It's gonna be tandem racing. I like you. We're trying to pit if we can, but don't get wrecked.
All right, Harvick's waving out the window.
On your lights here, nice and easy.
Oh, here goes Blaney around.
Spinning out, guys. Spinning out. Just lock it down. I'm so sorry, guys.
The 22 is going to go to the inside. He's going to take the 17 with him.
Keep digging it. AJ's giving it to you. You're fine.
Coming out of the triangle, William Byron's going to win stage 1.
Hell yeah. It's raining pretty heavy here. Oh, it's raining hard. We're going to get a weather delay.
We are going to be postponing now until tomorrow afternoon.
Today's a new day. The sun's peeking through the clouds some.
As soon as we roll off your road, it's game on. We're racing again. All right, Brett, get fired up, re-centered here. In other words, wake your ass up. I finished my energy drink. I'm ready.
We are ready to go with the conclusion of the race that was postponed by Mother Nature yesterday. Green flag is in the air.
Right. Hood flap is broke now. Where are our friends? The car has no speed. Freaky, man, they don't know how to lead, dude. Making stupid moves in the front. Move top. You're going to have to move top. Big steam coming.
We're going to be 3 wide for the lead.
Going to dive inside, half back to him. Right with you inside. You're good. Bracket, stay low. Man, we're junked. Hang on. Stay high. Keep digging. Down. Keep coming flat.
But Joe Logano's a dumbass is what happened.
He just had a bad block there. He blocked a run that big. The spotters need to pull their head out of there. That 9 did that twice. Did it in the first stage, too.
Bowyer is going to win the stage.
Damn, you don't like that? I don't know what the hell wrong. Holy
Green flag goes back in the air.
I hit the wall, Brett. Off the 2.
Clint Bowyer has just lost control here at turn 4.
Just went down, Booger. It just went down. We reckon. They're going to have to push you. Rear wheels are off the ground. You don't need to tow it. You need to push it.
This is not what he needed.
I kind of get the vibe if I can't get up to the front here pretty quick to maybe let them do their thing. What do you think about that? I just go, I think you're going to be able to make some headway with the tires.
31 to go.
Green flag back in the air.
The 18's pushing the 37. 37 will give you a push. Locked behind you. Bumper to bumper here. Big boost here. Bam. Too much.
Oh, Byron gets turned. He'll nail Logano. Major crash.
We're all good. No contact, no nothing. I don't see any damage. That's good. No, I'm good. I don't know, me and Brad missed that. You done, William? Yeah, it's done. The hood's up. It doesn't look terrible. Just tape that thing down right now. We're in our right spot. We just need to finish this race.
Well, can we run 13 without a caution? We are about to find out.
Here comes the lane down low. Stenhouse will wedge his way in. Contact. Kyle Busch is into Keselowski.
We're wrecked here, guys. Keep it straight. Crashing behind you. Oh.
Brendan gone up and over.
Ooh.
About a dozen cars crashing and colliding.
You okay? Yeah, okay. All good. Easy flip. Damn it! That was freaking awesome, Lewis. Dang it! Sounds like Ricky got bushwhacked.
Ryan Blaney, you remember he was leading yesterday and then spun coming to pit road, then got busted for speeding. Now he's back up front.
2 laps to go at Talladega.
You're all clear. 10 is out by 2. Trying to get to your outside. Wide open the shove. 11 pushing you.
Ryan Newman around the outside.
Outside 6. Outside just 11. Half to the bottom of 10. Still coming up. Go up a lane. Going up a lane. Looking back inside. Coming in. Keep coming. Inside 12. Checker flag is flying. Checker. You got him if you got it.
Ryan Blaney wins at Talladega.
Sorry, guys. Close, man. It was really close. Yeah, baby! Yeah! Oh, thank
7 thousandths of a second. Ryan Blaney over Ryan Newman.